What's good, YouTube? I'm your guy Rez, and we are back again, of course, with another video. What's up? So I'm gonna switch it up in this video. I'm gonna do something that is not jersey related. I know you guys are probably like, what else do you collect that could possibly not be a jersey? Well, believe it or not, guys, I do collect a lot of other things other than jerseys, guys, and that's kind of the whole intention of my channel on YouTube, is to just share with you guys, you know, what I love and what I love to collect, and you know, my collection. So that being said, I'm gonna show you guys a new pickup that I got in my collection. I picked up this awesome figure right here, and you know, I got this for a really great price. I think I got it for like $17 or $18 and some change or something like that. In the next few weeks and upcoming months, of course, I'm gonna try to focus a little more on my toy collection, because I know I get a lot of people occasionally that will message me and ask me like, you should share some of your toys off on YouTube. So I know I share a lot of jerseys and stuff and a lot of hat reviews and sneaker stuff, but I do want to share some of my toys with you guys, because I know that there is a following for that and some of you guys would love to see that. So I don't want to leave the minorities out, man. So, you know, I definitely will be sharing more of my figures and toys to come. This is a really dope figure. This is the Blood of Saiyans Special 9 1X, and this is the Gogeta version, and it looks like Gogeta has the metallic hair. I don't know too much about like the exact names of the figures. I just buy what I like. If I see something I like, I'm gonna buy it. So that's kind of what I did with this, and this is how I really just do shopping for Dragon Ball figures, because like a lot of figurines and like Dragon Ball stuff, they just make so damn many, so it's really hard for me to keep up with the names and whatnot. But you know, when I saw this one, I was like, yo, I'm gonna pick this up. I haven't bought figures as like frequently lately just because of the lack of space I have, but for this one, this was something that looked pretty dope to me when I saw it, and it is brand new, brand spanking new, still sealed in box, never removed. So I guess you could say this will be an unboxing and my review for this figure. All right, guys, so it is pretty self-explanatory. There is some assembly acquired, but it is not that hard, guys. It's just simple as like a 1, 2, 3 A, B, C, D type of thing. So look, all you gotta do is just snap it on. You gotta put a little force into it, just to kind of get his body in motion right there. You get the little halo right there, which is pretty cool. The halo on, you can put him on Gogeta's head. That's pretty cool. Let me get that in there. All right, so let me assemble this for you guys right quick and just kind of show you what the final presentation will look like. Alright, and that is pretty much the assembly, guys. As you can see right there, it is pretty dope to see Gogeta in that fighting form. Looks like he is about to do a roundhouse kick and wreak some havoc. I really like this figure. It is a very good sculpt, I think. I really like how it has the metallic hair, and just the definition of the sculpt is super, super dope. Why don't we get a closer look outside and I'll show you how dope this really looks. And that is pretty much gonna wrap up my review on this figure right here. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below and let me know what you guys think about this figure. Do you like this Banpresto Blood of Saiyans Gogeta figure? Did you think they did a fantastic job on it, or did you think they could have done a better job with it? Either way, I would love to hear what you guys and gals think. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Be easy, y'all. Peace!